We made it to Indiana after our flight was canceled yesterday. Rebooked today, and then we almost missed it today. The wedding's in 1 hour. Let's get ready. I'm gonna go from to glam. Me, my sister, and then my cousin, you know, my cousin. We're here. Our friend is actually graduating. Our friend is actually getting married. If you're watching this, Monica, I love you. So I'm just gonna transform. Let me just tell you, I don't know what the plane has, but the scent on the plane, I just cannot believe it. Like anytime I go on the plane, I have not gone in a while. And when I tell you this scent of the plane, give me a headache. So when I came back, I smelled bad, so I immediately had to shower, and I'm wearing, you know, the hotel's robe. Anyway, I'm excited to get glam. The dress that I have is a little too small. Like, I did a medium, and I'm not a large in a dress. Like, I can't be a large in a dress, cause like, believe it or not, you know, my top half does look small, but my bottom half is a little bigger. Dresses never fit me, cause you know, my body's a two-piece, basically. So let's get started. I straightened my hair, by the way. I trimmed it yesterday, if you can see. It's like right here. I'm actually gonna go on Pinterest right now and look for hairstyles. I kind of know what I'm doing, but I just don't want to leave it down since my dress is like ruffles. So let's look together. I'm gonna do like wedding guest updo. I might do half up, half down. I'm definitely gonna use a wand. But before saying all of this, let me just get started. I think I know what makeup I want to do, but we'll see.
Hey, camera. She told me to talk to you.
My older sister's here.
Cousin, come here. Cousin, come introduce yourself to the camera.
Jordan.
Hi. You call me Jordan.
My sister kind of curled my hair from the back.
Kinda.
Cause I'm doing the front. Cause I want to show you, you know?
Not kinda.
The humidity here is no joke. It was literally raining this morning. Copyright. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, because of copyright.
What did I just do? Leah, look.
Sarah.
How did you do that?
No, literally.
She curled the back.
Like,
and then I'm just trying to curl the front to look like I did something.
Nice. Did you just want to finish the job?
I did my eyes and then my eyebrows. I was trying to do lashes, but those things are hard. Oh, I forgot the light. My dress is there. I wanted to do like a half up, half down. I'm definitely gonna put hairspray because the humidity here, my hair's rising. If you saw my shorts, I did something about like the Color Wow humidity spray. I don't know if it's working, I'm not gonna lie, but is it working for you?
What humidity?
The humidity spray, the Wow Dream Coat. Like, yeah, but we were in literal rain, so I think we like kissed the humidity.
Literally, we saw the fog, like.
Yeah. The one once we got here, it was. Cause when we left, it wasn't raining this morning. By the way, let me update you about yesterday. We were leaving 10 p.m. yesterday. We were supposed to, and then it started raining, and then the weather said thunderstorm, and so we were just waiting, and then literally at like 5 o'clock, they said your flight's been canceled, and they rebooked us for tonight at 10. The wedding's in 30 minutes. It's at 5. So we didn't know what to do. So we just got the refund. And then we went with another airline this morning. It was very risky because if they delayed, or oh wait, let me tell you though, we almost missed it because we were kikiing, chit-chatting. We were just talking, and then the doors closed, and my sister was like, why is the door closed? Mind you, the door is right here. We were sitting right there. We weren't even far. We made it.
Literally right next to the gate.
Yeah.
And the gate closed. I'm like, no, don't worry.
I was like, no, it's
everybody's
okay.
here for this flight.
Yeah. And we almost missed it.
I was so sure.
Good catch, Leah.
Good job, sister.
You would not be here without me.
And we got a refund for the first night. Listen. Okay.
Wait, you're not done.
Well, I have to put hairspray. Why does it look tight?
It gets loose.
Yeah. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. Oh. Don't take my power. Power.
It's the fact that they can see my dress already.
Oh, it's okay. She already has her dress on, and then I have to put on hairspray. Sorry. I grabbed this hairspray. Is Professional Sebastian Shape Plus. I don't even know, but it said Stronghold. That's the only reason I got it. I got it from CVS. I don't have any at home. I make sure to get one without dimethicone, and it was hard. Because I try to stay away from that ingredient for my hair.
Yeah, what is that?
Basically, it has like, it makes your hair look shiny, but it puts a coat over here, so it's like having a plastic bag over your hair. So whenever you put other products, it doesn't fully go to your hair. You know, some people use hairspray as a setting spray for their face. I can't.
Bro, I've seen that.
That's crazy.
One size.
Hair done. Oh, one
Oh, one
size.
size,
I was
she's that
supposed to
girl.
get that. One size is the best
She's
setting spray.
that girl.
It ran out everywhere though. And the blurring powder, the one that you put like before. No, not the powder, sorry. Blurring primer. So I was thinking something like that. I look like the bride now. Yeah. So I might do it with this. Because I cannot leave my hair down.
Claw clip it up the halfway.
But yeah, that's
You
what
like
I was.
that?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
It's like we think alike or something.
Yeah. Me like.
Those things kind of make me dizzy.
The smell, right?
This mirror.
This mirror? Oh, the smell? I was like, if it makes you dizzy, evacuate. Get ready without me. And then when I'm done, I'll be like, thank you.
I thought you were supposed to leave the room.
Oh, you're right, right.
Should
Right,
leave,
right.
yeah. But
I'm really blushing.
I've tried her.
Oh, I love her.
Not broken.
My eyebrows and eyes are done. But now I just have to put concealer, foundation, powder, and a setting spray, and I'm done. But I wanted to do lashes, so let's attempt that. We got 10 minutes, guys. Come on.
What?
Till 4:30.
Really?
Yes. The venue is 8 minutes away. I forgot to say. And so,
It's
we can
it's right down the street.
yeah, unless we can't find an Uber. Then it's gonna be right down the...
Wait, why would we might get a Tesla. Tessie again.
Oh yeah, we got a Tesla coming from the airport. That was cute, and the driver was cute
She was
too.
so cute.
She's like, enjoy Indy. I'm like, is that what you guys call Indiana? So I'll enjoy Indy for the 10 hours we're here. By the way, tomorrow.
Subtitle that.
It's kind of like
know, right?
a blessing in disguise.
Yeah,
I agree.
that we.
I said I was-
Yeah.
No hate to the people in Indiana if you have any. No hate to y'all.
I don't know what could have
It's
happened.
like-
God protected us from something.
Everything happens for a reason.
But yesterday though, I was mad a little. I was like, I was ready. I didn't know what to do with my time. You know, and the time in between delays,
The way
you don't
I
know what
was
to do.
unready.
Yeah.
Get
Oh, you
unready
were?
with me that was me.
They didn't pack, right?
At all. I literally did my laundry at 11 p.m. What would I have done?
And Leah did the same
I
thing.
would have done like what?
I packed the night before, so I was like, are you serious?
Also, I had work too, so I was like
Oh,
trying
so
to.
did Leah.
My supervisor's like, you're still on at 6 o'clock. I'm like, girl, I'm not trying to be here.
Yeah. For the stupid look, the lashes are going crazy. Won't you put
Is it
blush?
the light? I am.
Mm-hmm.
So is it the light?
You know that mirror
Over
right there?
there,
You
right?
can see everything. I'm like,
Okay.
oh. I'm using this lash glue, the Duo Line It Lash It, and it's adhesive liner and it's waterproof. That means if you cry. The one thing that gets me frustrated is lashes. It looks so good though once it's on.
Once you find out good lash that fits your eyes really well.
Because my eyes, it's weird. I have to break it in 3 pieces. I can't just put on one strip.
That looks more natural anyways.
Me and eyeshadows really don't go together that bad sometimes.
You know when you're like rushing with time, usually like it's fun getting ready, but when you're rushing,
Yeah.
silence.
Maybe it's not the day I wear it.
Don't say that, don't give up.
The Mario palette is worth the hype. The pigment, I was scared of it. I'll touch a little bit and it would just go like really dark. I recommend. Now I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta bronzer, the putty one, but this one, it like shows more.
Are you muting this part?
Favorite Rare Beauty blush is Joy. Just put like a little. I underpaint because I feel like it looks more airbrushed. I should have been like, get ready with me for Michaela's wedding. They're like, you're invited.
That's crazy.
I think I put too much, but it's okay. Let me see.
It's good. Stairs are.
Rare Beauty concealer. I need to get a new concealer. I'm thinking of doing like Too Faced, but we'll see. Oh shoot, I forgot to do my under bag. Color correct. When I color correct, it always helps my makeup look, I don't know, like gives me a blank canvas, and then when I put it on, it just looks even. Cause my under eye does not play.
They call
and
them
we are
Mrs.
not been
Put it
sleeping.
on.
Yes. We have not been sleeping either. So actually we took a nap. Maybe that gives us a little
surprised
energy.
was.
I know, usually I can't take naps. Hopefully I sleep tonight.
That's how you know we were tired, because I don't take naps either.
Where's Mario foundation?
Them throwing away my
hurry.
Mario foundation.
I might not put on lashes, I'm not gonna lie. So for the week, tomorrow we're going to San Francisco because today's the wedding, and then in our culture, there's a second part of the wedding, which is called mels, and then you basically, it's like traditional. Everybody wears like a traditional dress and stuff like that. It's more traditional. So that one is in Vegas, and we didn't know what to do in between Indiana and Vegas, so we're going to San Francisco for like a day and a half, and then going to Vegas. Cause Vegas alone, you just can't do that much for like a week straight, so.
We also didn't want to. We were not wanting to stay in
Yeah, Vegas is, I don't know. From what I've heard, it's just not my jam. We just wanted it to be there.
your jam.
I'll see.
No, I don't think so.
I think it's just a weekend thing. You can't stay there more than 3 days.
Yeah, we don't even have an itinerary straight, but we know
We do.
we kind of, it's like vague.
Yeah.
Like we don't have like time. Like we're 2 o'clock.
Sausalito, that's for sure.
Sausalito looks
She's so
cute. The San Francisco.
But we're in and out. Like we're going inside.
That's true. Oh yeah, the venue's inside. So today, we literally go to the wedding, wake up at 4. Our flight tomorrow's at 6 a.m. So it's just gonna be an adventurous week. We don't even know what's gonna happen. I came here with no expectation.
That's good.
Usually I need a itinerary.
Yeah, and like Sada gets mad.
Yeah, I do. But
When
it's
it
okay.
does not go
Listen,
her way.
I'm the same way too, but you can't have expectations, that's what I mean. Like,
Yeah. Baby, calm down. My dad says calm down.
that's so cute.
He said, Sada, play calm down.
Aww. The fact Sada said, I'm almost done. I just have this. This, so everything. So you haven't started.
For my face, I totally forgot. I'm like, I just need to do lashes. And I can just put on my dress. My foundation's staring at me.
The way we used to not wear blush was kind of crazy. now that I think about it.
No, I thought that was only for old people. Let me not lie. I really thought, I was like, that's old people still.
Oh, lashes.
I was like, I look like I
Me
love
too,
Lucy.
sister.
I kind of see why this helps with the concealer, because it did do full coverage. I'm not gonna lie. I got this powder puff from Amazon. I saw Jackie Aina using it. She was like, how this helps because it has like longer hairs or something like that than the other one. So let's see. Okay. It did put more product. And right after my concealer, if I don't put powder, it starts creasing. But the Rare Beauty doesn't crease that fast, but it still creases. Especially if I don't moisturize. By the way, I moisturize, I put sunscreen, even though it's not sunny. Wear sunscreen.
Every day.
Every day. Okay, I like that powder puff. Airbrushed me. Then I'm gonna use the Grande Lash mascara. It's not my favorite, but for bottom lashes, it shows.
Except me, I don't wear lashes. You have time.
I'm just gonna do like brown lip liner with this. It's the Sephora lipstick. Don't sleep on Sephora products.
Do not sleep on Sephora products.
Yeah, blush and lipstick, it's actually good.
Heavy
It's better
on the
than
blush.
Selena. Oh, the blush is really good. The powder one. Okay, I did the lip liner and then this is like a brown type of color. It's like, hold on, I gotta blend it. A brown or clear lip gloss? I
I'm
like
really
that.
curious. Do you think they're gonna be on time?
I like that. I might make it dark. Ooh, that made it dark. So I'm gonna put this in my little pouch. Okay, now I'm just gonna get dressed. Oh, forgot. Almost. Let it dry. I'm gonna go put on the dress and like put my hair in like a claw clip half down.
Salsa.
Salsa?
Yeah. This is the girl in the the emoji.
Yeah. Well, this thing? Yeah, this is the dress. It's from ASOS. And then shoes ASOS, basically the whole outfit because Meshki decided to be late again. So I had to do like one day shipping from ASOS. Yeah, I decided to just put mascara. This is the final face. Oh, that's cute. You look different. Okay, maybe like this. The flyaways are crazy. Yeah, and then put it behind your ear. That's how you do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then look.
You don't leave it up?
You go like this. Let me put you on. This deodorant is clear, so it's not showing up. And if you're zero aluminum, it works. It doesn't make you smell. Like it doesn't smell good, but when you put it on, it works with your chemical stuff like that. I don't even know the exact words, but it helps you not smell like anything. And I got it from Sephora.
Is it giving?
Yes! So this is the clutch bag I'm wearing. I'm holding. It's from Amazon.
I am not.
This is actually Baccarat, but I just put it inside this like
It's
travel
giving.
stuff from Amazon. It smells so good, and I can just reapply it, so I'm just gonna put it under. So my hair, the dress, the clutch bag with the clear heels, I'm gonna wear. We are officially done. Look at her final look. Come on, yes, dress.
Rings off my fingertips.
We're back. The wedding was so cute. We left the room a mess. We've only been here for like less than 5 hours to get ready, and it's already a mess. We gotta pack because we have a flight in. This doesn't work, but we have a flight like 6 hours because like right now it's almost midnight, and our flight leaves 7, so we have to go to the airport 5:30.
Yeah?
And away.
We didn't do our transition.
We didn't do our transition.
The thing is, we could just
the puff, the humidity spray. California and Las Vegas is gonna be very dry, so humidity is gonna be minimal. I'm just gonna go to bed and get ready for my flight. So we gotta clean the bathroom, everything else, and just go to bed. I'm already so tired.